This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Earline Lawrence. This spacious, open floorplan ranch has lots of natural light and a large designer pool and spa. It is in a gated country club community, where all residents are social members. Golf memberships are optional, and available. The home's features include impressively high ceilings, arched doorways, and sliding glass doors to the large lanai from the living room, the family room/kitchen, and the master bedroom. A new pool heater was recently installed, and the air conditioner was installed in 2023. The home looks out over the golf course and a lake. The community is conveniently located for quick access to I-75 highway, only a 20-minute drive to the airport, and is only 6 miles to the beach, by way of BONITA Beach Road. Especially convenient is a plaza for shopping just outside the community gates, just minutes away, even walkable. The community has an updated grill room, dining room, outdoor dining, as well as a resort-style pool with food service. Residents enjoy lots of special social events, tournaments, as well as tennis, pickleball, and bocce. Plus, this home has a pool table for at-home entertainment. Available immediately for your personal touches and enjoyment. Come see soon. For more information, review the details below.